So this is a bird feeder that I made with just some things that I had here at the house. Most of the items did come from the Dollar Tree. And so it's basically just a charger, and you could just use a charger and paint it white like I did, or if you want to get a clear glass plate from the Dollar Tree, they do carry those. And then it's actually placed on a little planter. And so see, this is what it looks like underneath there, and I just sat that on the planter. And then this little candle holder, and I just put some little jewels around there. And so this project basically cost about $3.50, and I just really love the way that it turned out. And so yeah, just kind of getting some things that are in my home and just doing my own little DIYs, and just wanted to share this thing with you. So beautiful, right? It's raining. Pretty as this pretty does.